Now student, we are going to solve question number 9.11, and in this question it is given to you a 14.5 kilogram mass fastened to the end of a steel wire of an unstretched length 1 meter. Clear? So let's suppose I am drawing here one diagram. Let's suppose I am saying here we have a 14.5 kg mass. So let's suppose I am saying this is 14.5 kilogram. Clear? Okay. It is fastened to the end of a steel wire, okay, having length L. This is equal to 1 meter. Clear? So length of this steel wire is also given. Clear? It is actually having motion in a vertical circle. Fine. Angular velocity, it is also given, but in a revolution per second. Clear? So can we calculate here omega? Yes. This is equal to 2 pi f, or we can say 2 pi. We can say this is 2. So I can write like this. This is 4 pi radian per second. Clear to you? And at that time it is the bottom of a circle. It means at the lowest position. Clear? So at the lowest position, if we analyze here, what are the different forces this is acting? I can say here, number one force, this is acting mg. Clear? Definitely at lower position it is having certain velocity. So we can say tension force is also acting. Now if I am talking about non-inertial frame, at that time I can say a centrifugal force, this will act away from a center along a radius. So this is also given by mv square by r. Clear? So from here we can say value of tension T, this is given by mg plus mv square by r. Clear? So instead of r you can write here this is L. Clear to you? This is L. Clear? So we can also write like this. This one is equal to mg plus m omega square L. Clear? Now from here we can take common value m. Clear? This is g plus omega square L. Clear? We can write like this. Yes. Clear? So value of m. M means we can say mass. Mass is given to you 14.5 mass. Clear? Value of small g. Value of small g, this is given to you 10 plus. I can say omega square L. Omega is given, this is 4 pi. Clear? So 4 pi into 4 pi and multiplied with L. L is given to you 1 meter. So I can write here this is 1. Clear? So from here can we find here value of tension? Yes. This is 14.5. I can say this is 4 plus 16 pi square. Pi square is having approximately value 10. So I can say this is 160 and this is 170. So 14.5 into 170. Clear? From here you can write like this. This is 145 multiply 17 and this is in a Newton. Clear to everyone? Now, but what is my objective in this question? My objective is very clear. We have to calculate elongation of a wire when mass is at lowest position. Clear? So now listen carefully. So if I am talking about elongation, elongation means I can write like this, delta x, this is given by FL over AY. Clear? Here force, this is acting on this wire, that is tension force. So I can say this is tension T L over AY. Clear? Now we can put here all the values. So value of tension we know 145 into 17. Clear? Value of length we have, that is L. Clear? If we are talking about cross section area, this is given 0.065. So 0.065 into 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied with, now this wire is of steel. So what is value of Young's modulus? I think till now you have memorized this value, 2 into 10 to the power 11. Clear? So now we have to solve this expression and we can easily get value that is deformation or elongation of a wire when it is at its lowest position. Clear? So now concentrate. Yes. Now we can solve like this. Delta x, value of delta x, this one is given by, I can say 145 into 17, 145 into 17 divided by 0.065 into 10 to the power we can say 7 into 2. Clear? Now if you solve it, you will find here value of delta x. I am directly telling you here value because this is slightly calculative. Clear? So here you will get value 1.87 into 10 to the power minus 3. Clear? You will get here 1.87 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Clear? So you can solve this question like this. Clear? So actually this is a good question, and this type of question it may be asked in competitive examination like JEE or NEET, because in this question we have two concepts. First of all, you should know how to write, how to calculate tension value, because here we are utilizing a concept of motion in a vertical circle, as well as here we are also defining, we are also utilizing this delta x. This is equal to FL over AY. Clear? So now we can solve this question like this. Clear to everyone?